So now what I would like to do is I would like you to write the date down on a piece of paper or hold it in your mind if some of you are in bed going in and out of sleep. I would like you to write the date December 17th, 2022. And now what we're going to do in our visualization, and this is going to be a juicy one, we are going to travel psychologically to 2022, exactly 12 months from now. So just write that down, just so, or think about it. And now close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel expansion in your body with every breath, preparing your place, creating more and more space, expanding your ability to receive. And now I want you to imagine an elevator. And as you step in and I count down, you're feeling more and more relaxed. And when the doors do open, it's December 17th, 2022. Step in, 10, 9, relaxing, relaxing. 8, 7, relaxing, relaxing. 7, 6, relaxing, relaxing, relaxing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the doors open. And here you are in your professional goal. December 17th, 2022. You notice the date on your phone as you look at it. You have a huge smile on your face as you look at what you have created, the work that you do, who you interact with. Be here now. the impact that you make, what you have created. Gets better and better and better. And now you find yourself making your way home. And we are at your home, your dream home. You love coming home. And as you open the door into your house now, you're struck with the feeling, the atmosphere of love and peace. You are greeted by perhaps some furry friends, some little ones, bigger ones. And as you leave your things at the front door, you go to your bedroom. Breathe in. Another year coming to an end, another holiday season. And as you make your way to the bedroom, you notice you've got your full length mirror. And as you're walking towards it, your image, your reflection is getting bigger and bigger and bigger until you meet your own eyes. And you take yourself in. And you are so full of gratitude for you. As you think back to the bridge of incidents that created this marvelous, incredible year. As you think back and realize now how you inspire so many people. You are someone's possibility. And all of the things that have happened this year, all of the things that you knew because it was through the perpetual transmutation of energy, but the unexpected ways too. The people that you met, the resources that came to support you, the interesting things that happened along the way. And you are so grateful, grateful, grateful for each and everything. I am love. I am kind. I am the universe. I am the divine center of operation. I am receiving. I am worthy of it all. It gets to get better and better and better. I get to have it all. I create through ease, joy, and fun. I let go of things that no longer serve me. I forgive. I forgive. I forgive myself. I forgive others. I am a powerful creator. I am a powerful manifester. I am a light and I shine bright. I love you all. We will see you in 2022. Have a beautiful, beautiful rest of your day. Bye for now.